back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Wakala Girl. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been supporting me from day one, you know how we do it. Sending you all love, kisses, everything, like all the good things. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time I'm stopping here, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. I would love to have you in this fam. Alright guys, so today's video, oh my god, I'm super excited. Like I am so excited. Like I have always wanted a digital camera like forever. And your baby girl just got a new digital camera. Like I'm so happy, I'm so excited. So I'm going to be unboxing my new digital camera for you guys, and I'm not gonna review it yet because I haven't used it and I'm just like a camera beginner user. I don't know anything about camera, but I know that with time I'll get used to it and I'm gonna come back and review it for you guys. But today we're gonna be unboxing the new Canon M50 Mark II. Like, just stay tuned. I'm just excited. So let me bring out the really beautiful like anticipated camera that I've been looking forward to. I'm gonna bring it into you so you guys would unbox with me. Okay guys, let's get into unboxing video. Honestly, I have wanted to open this box, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna come here and unbox this camera with you guys. So that's just one reason I haven't opened it yet. So I'm going to be unboxing straight away because honestly I can't wait to see what I have in this box. Okay, so this is how it came, and then I have my Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So in this box we have, let's just unbox. Okay, we have the manual. Anyways, I'll read that later. And it comes with the, so this is all what we have in here. So I'm going to be starting off with this neck strap. Like the neck strap, we have the Canon EOS on it. So it comes with this. Then it comes with this. Okay, battery charger. I think I'm just going to open this for you guys. It comes with this charger, right? And it comes with a battery. There we go. So then it comes with, what else? What is this? I don't know. Comes with something like this. I don't know what this is, but let's just open. Okay, I think it's a battery case where you're going to put the battery for, what is it called? I think it's called the lithium battery, I guess. So lithium battery. So this is where the battery, I'm going to insert the previous battery I showed you guys, and then that's where I'm just going to find my way around it because right now I don't know anything about it. Like I do not know anything. Like I don't have idea about how I'm going to open this, but I'm going to open it. And I have my lens. It comes with the lens. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is beautiful. So this is the 15 to 45 mm lenses or lens. I don't know what it's called, but this is so beautiful. Oh my god. And now, finally, the almighty Canon M50. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's the mirrorless camera, so you don't have to. This is going to serve as a mirror, and it's just about the camera. Like, I'm so excited about this. Like, I'm gonna be doing so much vlogging and a lot of stuff for you guys, so you guys stay tuned. I'm just super happy. So this is called the Canon EOS M50 Mark II mirrorless. I'm so excited. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm saying mirrorless digital camera. So I'm going to find my way around it, because right now I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go online and ask some of my friends, and I have a cousin that he's a photographer. I'm gonna ask him how I'm gonna go about this, and I think I'm going to buy a microphone with this camera, because I've seen a lot of YouTubers use microphone with this camera, so I'm going to be buying a camera. And yeah, I bought also SD card. I bought the 128 gigabytes. Yeah, I bought this to use with my camera, because I really want to have enough space, because that has been my problem. I've been using my phone, like my iPhone 11 Pro Max, to do all my video recording and everything all this while. But then I thought that I needed an upgrade, or I needed to do something much more for myself. Like, I just wanted to be able to create a lot of stuff and do so much more on this app. So I said, you know what, I'm going to buy a camera, and I'm super excited that I got this camera. So you guys just stay tuned, because I have so much to offer on this channel. It's going to be very interesting, very fun. You guys are going to love it, trust me. Yeah. So anyways, let's just round up this video, because it's gonna be a short one. It's just going to unboxing. So like I said, guys, I'm going to try as much as possible to work on this camera, get to know this camera, and get familiar with how to use this camera. And then I'm going to come back and review it, and I'm sure I'm going to know how to use this like pretty well soon. So guys, I'm just happy that I got this camera, and really makes me so happy. So stay tuned for more content, more fun, and more vlogging, because I really want to vlog a whole lot, and I'm just happy. Anyways, guys, so that's just all I have for you in this video. Gonna see you in my next video. Until then, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.